In 2025, almost every camera is autofocus, compact and super modern. But today, I'm using something classic, something cinematic. The Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera 4K, paired with a vintage Canon FD lenses, powered with a full V-mount setup. And everything edited only on my iPhone using LumaFusion. Hey everyone, rphy Samstill is here. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're testing something very special, the BMPCC 4K in 2025. But not in the usual way. I'm shooting this vlog with the Canon FD vintage lenses and a full rig with a cage and V-mount battery, and everything is edited straight on LumaFusion. Modern lenses are too clean, too sharp. I wanted character. I wanted that soft cinematic rendering, the blooming highlights, and the beautiful vintage contrast. Canon FD lenses give me the natural film look, and paired with the Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera 4K color science, it became a perfect combination. This setup looks big compared to the small mirrorless camera, but this is where the Pocket 4K becomes a real cinema camera. This entire video is edited only on LumaFusion. Color grading, slow motion, stabilization, titles, and all done on my phone. And honestly, LumaFusion handles Blackmagic Pocket Cinema 4K footage really well, especially if you convert your files to ProRes or use low compression. I didn't touch DaVinci Resolve for this vlog. I wanted to show that even the mobile editing the Pocket 4K can still create beautiful cinematic footage. Is the BMPCC 4K still worth in 2025? For me, absolutely yes. If you rig it up properly, if you use beautiful vintage lenses, if you love cinematic storytelling, this camera still competes with the newer cameras. If you are a filmmaker, a student, a creative storyteller, or someone who wants to learn real manual shooting, this camera will teach you everything. But if you really want autofocus in IBIS, this is not for you. 2025 and the Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera 4K is still a cinema monster, especially when you paired with the FD lenses, a proper cage, V-mount battery. It's not an easy setup, but it's one of the most rewarding. Thank you for watching. Let me know if you want a full tutorial about this rig, FD lenses, or my LumaFusion workflow. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and support the channel. See you on the next vlog.